Can you tell what is the issue with this code? I can give you a hint. So it's around here with the event handler. So let's have a look on the screen here. We have a button. When I click on it, it does nothing at all. It's supposed to change the background to black or back to white. Okay. So the problem is with this handle click function. So here with the event handler, we are calling the function with the parentheses as well, right? The same as the one that we declare on top here. So this caused the issue. When you use a function with this parenthesis, it means that whenever that the component is rendered, this function is called immediately rather than just being called whenever that we click on a button. Okay. So to fix this issue, what you have to do is just to remove this parenthesis and that's it. Okay. So by doing this, the function is passed as a reference. Okay. So now let's have a look again. I can click on it, right? It is working as expected. Or there's another way you can achieve the same is to wrap the call into another function. Okay. So this will be using the arrow function and basically just copy and paste. This time you have to use this with the parentheses. Okay, let's have a look again. Okay, working as expected. So there are two ways to fix this issue. One is the function should be passed as a reference, and second here is to wrap it in another function.